Fire Extinguisher Inspections, a safety meeting video brought to you by weeklysafety.com. Let's begin. Fire extinguishers are found in many workplaces, but they only help in an emergency if they are in the right place, in good condition, and ready to work. A missing, damaged, discharged, or unusable fire extinguisher can delay a response during a fire and turn a small problem into a much bigger one. That is why regular inspections matter. A quick check each month can help spot problems before an emergency happens. Know your extinguishers. Everyone should know where fire extinguishers are located in their work area. Depending on the workplace, they may be mounted on walls, stored in cabinets, placed near exits or stairways, or kept close to equipment, higher-risk operations, or areas where fire hazards may be present. It's also important to understand the type of extinguisher available and what kind of fire it is designed to be used on. Fire extinguishers are marked with letters and symbols that identify the types of fires they can handle. Using the wrong extinguisher can make the situation worse, spread the fire, or create hazards such as electrical shock or flare-ups. Keep in mind that portable fire extinguishers are meant for small fires. If a fire is spreading quickly, producing heavy smoke, or feels unsafe to approach, evacuate the area and follow your workplace emergency procedures. Monthly visual checks. Fire extinguishers should be visually inspected every month and documented according to your workplace procedures. These inspections are quick, but they are important. Start by checking that the extinguisher is where it is supposed to be and has not been moved. During an emergency, every second matters, so the extinguisher should be easy to see and easy to reach. Next, look over the extinguisher itself. Check for dents, rust, corrosion, leakage, or any obvious damage. Make sure the label can still be read so the extinguisher can be identified and used correctly. Take a look at the hose and nozzle. The hose should not be cracked or damaged, and the nozzle should be free of dirt, insects, or debris that could block the discharge. Check the pressure gauge if the extinguisher has one. The needle should be in the green operating range. A needle outside the green zone may mean the extinguisher is not ready for use. Also confirm that the pull pin is still in place and that the tamper seal has not been broken or removed. Finally, look for the inspection tag and make sure the extinguisher has received its yearly professional inspection. Common problems. During inspections, workers sometimes find extinguishers that have been blocked, used without being reported, or covered in dust, grease, or paint. Dirty extinguishers should be cleaned so labels, gauges, and instructions remain visible. If an extinguisher looks damaged, is missing, appears to have been used, or the pressure gauge is not in the proper range, report it right away. Do not assume someone else already noticed it. One thing to remember is that carbon dioxide extinguishers usually do not have pressure gauges. During regular inspections, workers can still check for damage, accessibility, and signs of tampering, while weighing and charge verification are generally handled during professional maintenance. Annual inspections. Monthly visual inspections are important, but fire extinguishers also need a more detailed inspection by a trained professional each year. During the annual inspection, the extinguisher is checked to confirm it is properly charged, in good working condition, and free from damage that could affect how it performs. Depending on the type of extinguisher, the inspection may include checking pressure, weight, hoses, valves, pins, seals, and other components. After the official annual inspection, the extinguisher should have an updated inspection tag showing when it was serviced. If an extinguisher fails inspection or has been damaged, it may need to be repaired, recharged, or replaced. Even with yearly service, monthly checks still matter. A fire extinguisher can be moved, damaged, blocked, or partially discharged long before the next annual inspection comes around. Key takeaways. Fire extinguisher inspections do not take long, but they play an important role in emergency preparedness. A fire extinguisher cannot help if it is missing, blocked, damaged, or not working properly when it is needed most. Know where the extinguishers are in your work area. Make sure they stay visible, accessible, and in good condition. If you are responsible for the monthly fire extinguisher checks, perform these inspections carefully and thoroughly. Take the time to look for damage, check the pressure gauge, confirm the pull pin and seal are intact, and make sure the extinguisher has been professionally inspected within the last year. At any time during your workday, if something does not look right, report it immediately. Do not ignore a missing fire extinguisher, a blocked path, or signs that an extinguisher may have been used or damaged. Thanks for watching and paying attention during today's safety meeting. A fire extinguisher only helps if it is ready when you need it.